Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we have another exercise, coin tossing. So write a program that simulates coin tossing. For each toss, display heads or tails. Let the program toss the coin 100 times and count the number of heads and tails. Display the results. The program should call a function flip that takes no arguments and returns 0 for tails and 1 for heads. If the program realistically simulates the coin tossing, then each side of the coin should appear approximately half the time for a total approximately of 50 heads and 50 tails. Go on and solve this problem and come back to this video for the solution. Hello and welcome back, and this is the solution to the problem that we discussed about. Let me explain it for you a little bit. So as you can see in here, we have the flip function and it's prototyped in here. Let's go and look at this flip function. As you can see, the flip function, every time it's called, it's going to return a number between 0 and 1. It's using the rand function, which the rand function is actually generating a random number, and when that random number is divided by 2 and the remainder is always either 0 or 1, and that's why we will have a range of 0 and 1 each time this random function is run. So we will use this flip function in our main function in here. As you can see here in the main functions, we have declared these two variables, heads and tails, to be able to calculate the number of heads and the number of tails, because we want to flip the coin 100 times, and we will flip the coin 100 times using this for loop. Count starts from 1, it will go until 100, and it will be incremented one step at a time. So inside the for loop, each time the toss is flipped, it's going to be stored, the value is going to be stored inside this variable called toss, and we have a switch. We will look at the value of toss. If it's 1, we will add one number to the heads, and if it's 0, we will add one number to the tails to be able to calculate the number of heads and the number of tails. And finally, we print the values of heads and tails using these printf statements. Let's go and execute this program. And as you can see in here, the number of heads that has been occurred using the rand function, it has been 48 times, and the number of tails, it has been 52 times. So we can say that the program has realistically created the toss, and the generation of the toss has been successful. That's it for this episode. I hope to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.